Hi everyone, I'm Fiona. In this video, we will talk about the optimization work in the design and test process. Originally, our roller conveyor belt was a whole piece of conveyor belt after big stacking machine. But during the test run, we found that the conveyor needs to be separate in order to make the whole stacking section running more efficiently. So we divide the one conveyor belt into two. So once the stacking section finishes work, it could immediately move forward the big stack to the next station, which was different from the original design. Also, we try to be as thorough as possible when designing, but sometimes for the customized machine, only during the testing or operation that all the problem can be exposed. We are particularly grateful to our customer who is willing to working with us together to solve the problem. If you want to know more video like this, or if you want to see more information about EPS machine and EPS mode, please hit the notification bell to stay part of the conversation. I'll see you next video.